Hello and welcome back to Attorney Paz's Rants of a Criminal Defense Attorney. This week I want to talk about prosecutors not honoring the offers that they make. So in one jurisdiction, I've had this happen a couple of times actually. You go to court, and court, you're going to have to go back numerous times. And there's reasons for that. You need to get discovery. If the state attorney asks you to do something and you need to do it, and it takes just a period of time to do it. So you rely on the offers that they make and the offers that they write down in their file that they have conveyed to you. And the reliance on this, and you've done things in reliance on their offer, and then you go back to court, I've done what you've asked me, and you expect them to then do what they told you they would do. But sometimes what happens is because state attorneys don't have ownership of files until it's really assigned to a trial. And so really when you go to court, any state attorney that's there for the day is going to pull your file. And so a number of people can potentially be touching these files at any given time. And so sometimes you go there and you're like, listen, I spoke to this other prosecutor on this day. This was what the offer is. He asked me to do this. I've done it. Here's my proof that I've done it. Now I want the offer that you've conveyed to me. And then they'll say, no, this is the new offer. And my position is, hold the phone, okay? You can't do that. So there's actually a whole body of case law pursuant to Santobello v. New York, in which the court has found that when a prosecutor makes an offer, it's under contract principles. So there's an offer and you've relied on this offer. You have done a performance in reliance of this offer, and now there's been really no change in circumstances that have would require him to change this offer, such that like for example, sometimes the state makes an offer and then the client picks up a new case, and then the old offer doesn't really factor in this new case, and so then the state attorney can be like, well, I'm going to withdraw this offer and I'm going to make a new offer with the new case included. So, and that's common, but if there's been no change in circumstances, the client hasn't been ordered rearrested, he hasn't picked up a new case, and he's performed what he was required to perform, you file this motion for essentially under contract principles, which is specific performance of the offer that was conveyed to you. I have filed a number of these motions. Basically, when you file it, there's an evidentiary hearing where the state attorney who conveyed the offer testifies to establish that there was in fact an offer conveyed, and there's some more testimony to indicate that there was a reliance on said offer, and then the court in its authority could order the state attorney to reconvey that offer. So do not, if you go to court and you go to court by yourself and they tell you, oh, well, you know what, I'm changing your offer. I know I made this offer to you way back when, but I'm changing my mind now and I'm making you something else. Do not take it. Talk to a lawyer and make sure your lawyer files a Santobello motion for you. So that's my rant of the day. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to email me, Brittany@RuineAttorneys.com. And as always, take care, don't get arrested, and see you soon.